What is up, A-Team? Welcome back. Awesome here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day. So yes, I want to talk about Blackrock. Want to talk about Blackrock, obviously filing for the Bitcoin ETF here. This actually has gotten some mixed reviews in the space here. Seeing a lot of people, obviously the Bitcoin maxis are very excited about this. Got a lot of people out here that are like, whatever, just another manipulation of the market. But yesterday, this was announced that Blackrock is close to filing an application for a Bitcoin ETF, which is an exchange traded fund, according to a person familiar with the matters. And it says BlackRock will be using Coinbase, which obviously, why would it not? BlackRock is a huge contributor to Coinbase for the ETF, and the crypto exchange post Saturday. And I think that this actually plays pretty big into like what the SEC is doing here, is that now you have a company, the largest company in the world in terms of BlackRock, now I'm working with Coinbase to launch an ETF. And if you guys don't know what an ETF is, let me move my head out of the way here. And it says an ETF is an exchange traded fund, and they're SEC registered investment companies that offer investors a way to pool their money in a fund that invests in stocks, bonds, or other assets. In return, investors receive an interest in the fund. And so, which is wild about this is that these are SEC registered investment companies. So BlackRock is that, and they're going to be offering this in terms of Bitcoin. One thing we do know for sure, though, when it comes to BlackRock or when it comes to Bitcoin, is that Bitcoin is probably the only commodity out there that the SEC has recognized at that. They've pretty much flat out said Bitcoin's probably the only thing here. And so I could see them probably moving forward with this. I think this is pretty wild, though. I don't know if this is a shot at the SEC with them working with Coinbase to then do an ETF. Like, I don't know. Pretty cool, though. I actually like this. This is some good stuff here. And I think that this is going to be beneficial here. It says the blue chip banks and corporations are increasing their bets on Bitcoin by purchasing MicroStrategy stocks, which, as you guys don't know, MicroStrategy is obviously one of the biggest holdings of Bitcoin. And now you're going to have BlackRock jumping into this as well. It says right here that two heavyweight asset manager firms, BlackRock and Fidelity, plus now Bank of America, are going to be opening up their doors to doing something very similar to what we see right now. So now you're starting to see institutional investments coming in and using Bitcoin as an ETF. The cool thing is that this would be great if we could get a lot more cryptocurrencies in on this, so that you could, we have companies like BlackRock and Fidelity and Bank of America being able to open up their doors and offer other securities in terms of crypto, or basically ETFs, to their customers. And I think this is a great move for cryptocurrency. Yes, it's only Bitcoin at the moment, but we know that Bitcoin is the granddaddy of them all, and it's the only thing that SEC is not going after. This is big for crypto. I actually like this. This is really good. I know some people don't like to hear this. Some people think this is just straight manipulation of the markets and things like that. And that, here we are. We have the Bitcoin maxis. They're the only ones that are excited about it, and so on and so forth. But I think this is great for crypto. But let me know your thoughts down below on what you guys think. And with all that, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And with all that said, we're out. Peace out, everyone.